So this is our downloaded file. You need to unzip it because this is provided in the zip folder. To unzip it, you need a WinRAR software that you can find free of cost on Google, like WinRAR download. You can download it and install it, like rarlabs.com, winrar.com. From winrar.softonic you can download any one. Download WinRAR and install it, like a WinRAR English 64-bit. You can download it and install it. So I have already downloaded it and installed it. After installing, a menu will appear like that one, like right click, extract to. So click on extract to. So this will extract all the band from this zip file. So maybe you not need to install the WinRAR software. Windows has inbuilt tools also that can do the unzipping for you. But the benefit of WinRAR that we can unzip in the same folder. In that folder we are working. So here in this folder you can see we are going to use band 1 to band 7 only. So now we are going to stack this image for further processing. So open ArcGIS. So in the ArcGIS, open Arc toolbox by clicking on the red button. In the ArcGIS, image stacking has a multiple methods are available, but I am showing that method that did not show you any error. Because you can also go to image analysis and stack the images, but that tool will tell you the band number error. So I am going to follow the official way and the accurate way to stack this image so that no error will happen. So go to data management tools. In the data management tools, go to raster. In the raster, go to raster processing, and here is a tool, composite bands. Double click it. In a input raster, click on the browse button. So browse where we have saved it. Let's say I will find. I saved in my E drive. Let's see my folder. It is in E drive MLLC. So E drive MLLC. In this folder raw, this folder, and now select first band, press Ctrl button, second, third, fourth, fifth, 6 and 7. We are taking all the 7 bands. Click add. It will take a while to show up all the bands here. And then provide an output raster. Don't forget to give the output file. So let's say give our output file in this folder. Let's say making a processed file. Landsat. I think this was of a March. So Landsat image processed, and give any name. So let's check when we have downloaded this file. Of March 24. Let's simply give March or Landsat March.tif. Don't forget to give the .tif extension, it is a mandatory. And click OK. It will take a while to process this image and combine all bands into one file. So you will wait until it processes all the bands. So it will take a time depending upon your PC performance, because it is different from PC to PC. Depending upon the processor you are using, i9, i10, i7 or i5, which processor you are using it. So in case of my PC, I am using i7. So it's processing. It's a large data set that is taking a time. I am not going to pause this video because you can see how much time it will take to process a large image. I had taken all the bands so that the SVM model will get information from all the bands, so that it will give us a accurate land use. So it is given starting time, ending time, and a processing time. So almost 65% has been finished. So whenever you work for your any GIS project, you always work with a patience. The patience is a required. Sometimes number of error happens in the GIS. Don't be panic. Every error is very easily resolvable in the GIS. So this is the final processed image. So how it will appear? So you also must know about the Landsat band combinations. So let's say show you the Landsat bands. Landsat 8 bands. Simply search on Google. Now Google is responding by AI also. It is a band 1 is a coastal, band 2 is a blue, green, red, and infrared. So if we want to view in infrared mode, then we need to set 5, 4, and 3 bands. So we see in the vegetation mode. So click here on a band, set to 5, 4, and 3. So now we are viewing this in infrared image. So now you can see the agricultures and all area are perfectly visible for I classify the water bodies and some part of a maybe forest, urban areas. So everything is a very well classified here. So these are some scrubs or forest, mixed land type on the mountain. So before going into land cover classification, we need to investigate our area with Google Earth also. That we will do it a later stage. So first I am going to show you the process and another satellite image. You can see here are some error area also. That is a mountain, but that mountain does not have any vegetation presence on it. So it is a very high altitude mountains, and some has a vegetation present, some has like a barren land or mountain vegetation or a direct soil or rocky surface. So and it has a snow cover also. So in this image we have a mountain, we have forest, we have agriculture area, we have snow cover. So we have a number of things present in the single image. So I leave this video here and I will show you the processing of 10-meter image also. So I save this file like a save as. So I save this file, make a folder mxds, that we will use it later. mxd file means you no need to add this file again, or just know it. Means whenever you double click on mxd file, ArcGIS will automatically add the data for you. So I will explain you how to download a 10-meter image also. So this is optional. You want to work with which image? We have both the images, 10-meter and a 30-meter.